Hey friends, if you wish to clear all cache on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click on disk cleanup. This is an inbuilt tool. Simply check all the boxes here, and except for recycle bin, if you select recycle bin, it will delete all the content in the recycle bin. So be careful while checking this one. Otherwise everything else is okay. Click on OK and then click on delete files. It will start deleting these files. And interestingly, this app is free of cost, inbuilt into Microsoft. You don't need to buy or download any third-party application. Then press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type temp and hit enter, and then click on continue, and then click on any one file and press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Hit the delete key and click on skip. Now why are we skipping? Because it will not delete each and every file. The files which are currently in use will not be deleted. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type %temp percentage and hit enter. Now select any one file, press Ctrl plus A, hit the delete key, and then click on skip. As you can see, a few files are still left, and these are basically temp files which will only open with the software, so it's okay. And then press the Windows key and the R button together, type prefetch, prefetch, and then click on continue, and then select all of these files, Ctrl plus A, and then hit the delete key and then hit skip. And when you do this, you will notice that your computer is somewhat faster. And after this, you can also use third-party software products, and for that you can open the Microsoft Store. If you find it here, well and good. Otherwise, search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar. Now I search for CCleaner because it's a very popular software, and once you search for it, you'll find all other cleaner software products in the list here. But the CCleaner software is very popular, so we can use this one. Click on install, and this one will download to your system. I should let you know one thing about the CCleaner software. It needs a lot of permissions on your computer, so download carefully. I don't think it is needed once you have done the disk cleanup and deleted the temporary files. That's a natural method. Why download a second software? But still, if you want, you can also consider this, and it will be downloaded to your system, and now it will open. Wait for a few seconds, and once it opens, it will start asking for permissions. So I will search for it has opened. So click on continue, click on start CCleaner, and then go to this one, the custom clean one, and check all of these boxes here. Okay, leave save passwords and check these boxes, whatever you want to, and then click on run cleaner, and the selected files will be deleted from the history. So if you want to check again, you can check again, and then click on continue, and then you can clean all the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.